Welcome back to George Basics. So guys, in today's video I'm going to show you how to cancel Midjourney subscription plan. Maybe you bought it, maybe you didn't like it, or you don't need it anymore. So guys, in this video I'll teach you how to unsubscribe Midjourney. But before you unsubscribe, I want to show you something about the cancellation process. You should know these rules. First of all, cancellations are effective at the end of the current billing cycle. Subscription benefits like access to community gallery are available until the end of the current billing cycle, guys. So after you will cancel the subscription, you will lose access to community gallery. And the most important thing, maybe you guys are interested in refund. They will give your money back, guys, and they have got their own refund rules, and let's read about it. Refunds are available for basic plan subscribers who have used less than 1% of their monthly GPU minutes. Refunds are available for standard and pro plan subscribers who have used less than 9 GPU minutes in either fast or relaxed mode. If you are eligible for a refund, the dialog box will automatically pop up when you click the cancel your account button, guys. So now you know everything about the cancellation, and if you're still going to cancel your plan, now I'll show you how to do it. First of all, you should go to midjourney.com and you should click the sign in. You should authorize with your Discord page, and once you log into your account, you should click manage sub in the left menu. And once you go to this page here, your plan will appear. This is your subscription plan. Here are some details, the renewal date, billing period, information about the plan. So if you are going to cancel this plan, you should click manage here, and you should click cancel the plan, guys. And if you will be eligible for the refund, they will give your money back. But if you are not eligible for a refund, I don't suggest you to cancel the plan before the end of the cycle, because you will lose money. They won't give the money back, guys. So that's all. Thank you for watching. I'm not going to unsubscribe Midjourney because I like it. I'm using Midjourney and it's wonderful tool. Thank you and see you in the next video.